Alright.
My bad, I'm back.
Yo, what is up, guys? It is your boy AJ, and welcome to yet another video here on my channel. I'm gonna be here on Infection T Death match on BO3 doing the pistol challenge with the Annihilator, and I'm also here with my boy Brown Panda 213. He's also gonna be doing it with me. Say what's up, bro.
What's up?
Alright, so yeah, pistol challenge is this is gonna be the class I'm using. I'm using the Annihilator, and yeah, using with these score streaks right here. Alright, so where you wanna hit, bro?
To be honest, I'm at rich.
Alright, took first blood. Let's go. Wow.
I got one.
Kuda. Oh, took his ass out. Let's go.
Damn, this is not aim.
Nice, nice. Tell me how she's not dead. Thank you. Alright, so I just got the heat stroke camo real quick. Please don't die, please don't die. Oh, I got his ass, but I barely got him. Sponsor it, sponsor it. Trigger finger, thank you for saving me my life. Saving me my life. Alright, these guys are just like bouncing, bro. I'm scared because I don't want to get spawn flip. I don't need one more kill for the score streaks. Begging.
Yeah, there's a sniper on church.
I'm begging you. Wow, really? 50 points.
One in
only?
church.
What? Oh, this guy's about to die real quick, man. Nerves, nerves. I need to pick back up. So I'm 5-2.
Yeah, I'll have to challenge.
Care package inbound. UAV inbound.
Please don't die, please don't die. Oh, thank God. Thank God I got that headshot.
Friendly counter UAV inbound.
Alright, I got it. Alright, so I just got the Annihilator. Okay. I'm waiting for his ass to come around the corner real quick. Hopefully he's coming. No, he's not coming up. Yeah, he's in church, I think.
What a fag. Yeah, there's a guy in church, but yeah, like shocks me.
What? Again, bro. Every time I'm 7-3. This is pissing me off. What? Revolver is another sniper. What? What? Wait a sec. Nope, never mind. It's not a sniper. Thought it was, but no. What? I didn't even use it. I just wasted my Annihilator. This is dumb. You know what? I'm not even gonna give. Okay. Oh my God. Tell me why the hell I'm... Wow, okay. I got 100 points. You know what? I'll get it. They're all assists, but...
Friendly UAV inbound.
Good try some side. Oh, he head glitched so goddamn much. And so hard. Pause. Thank you.
Damn.
I got a flashbang. I don't know how many use it. Alright, I just flashbanged someone.
On flip.
I'm not even gonna.
That sparrow though.
Bro, you're 14-10. Nice. I'm 18. I'm 8-5. Got him.
I hate this camper, dude.
What, the one on the church?
Yeah, the one in church.
That one Kuda guy, every time. That one Kuda. I could get everyone else except that goddamn Kuda. This is dumb. This is retarded.
I'm not doing it.
Come on, bro. Ooh, brown panda. I see you.
Oh, shit. It's gonna have the 3.
What the hell's wrong, bro? I keep pressing down. Look. Oh, see, it works now, but it didn't want to work the other one. The other time. Okay, okay. I'm not satisfied. I'm 9-7. I really am not satisfied. I'm gonna make 2 games special real quick.
They're against the wall. Press your advantage.
Fuck. Purifier in middle. So watch for that.
Off the wait, please. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Really? Come on, man. I had that guy.
Sorry for this dude.
Taking out my annihilator real quick. I hear someone to my left. Ooh! Ooh! Yes! I heard him to my left. Yes! Yes! Not much use for calling in my squish. Ooh! Oh my god, man. That
Damn,
was
no
good.
ammo. No!
Yeah, that's cool!
Best deterrent. Excellent.
Oh my god, bro. That play right there was good. Nice, bro. I got a nice play. Not gonna lie. People are gonna be thinking I have a freaking modded controller.
Mm.
You fought well.
I'm gonna put good game watch. What should I do? Oh, fail. What the fuck are you doing? What the hell? That was not easy AF, alright? Josh Gurley 2005, that was not easy AF.
Easy AF.
I'm begging, begging you to put your loving hand on, baby. Alright, just waiting on this. So calling card. I want to get that frick. Come on, man. Alright, 29. Now I just need one more crypto key. I want to get that Irish camo though.
Isn't it camo?
Yeah, there's a Irish. Alright, guys. See you in about 20 seconds. Matter of fact, I want to go infection again. See you guys in 23 seconds. Alright. Now the game is starting. We're gonna be doing again on infection with this class setup right here. Isn't that right, brown panda?
Hell yeah.
Yep. Just how trigger fingers work real quick. That's all I hear, bro.
Yeah.
Just
Team deathmatch.
what the hell is it doing? Alright. Just right trigger.
We got this.
Oh yeah, we hella do.
You're clear to engage.
I love doing that.
Alright. Let's get him. Easy AF.
Where's go? Ooh, I'm so one shot.
Nice one.
Wow. They flanked us.
Oh my
flanked
god,
us
this dude's
hard.
lagging so
Wow. What the hell? Ooh, the Galil. Wait, does the Galil sound like it does? Like how
Yeah,
we used to in
it
Black
does.
Ops 1?
Yeah.
Oh, that's lit. That guy with the dingo, bro. He almost died. My trigger finger wasn't intact. Happy. Nope. Get your ass back up there. Get your ass back up there. Oh, thank God I flashed him. I flashed him. Aw, for freak's sake. For real, man. Come on, man.
Outrider kill.
Ooh, I'm trigger happy. Ooh, what? What? What the hell is going on?
Blackjack crushed.
That guy with the Galil, man. The Galil, I feel like it's overpowered. I want to get it so bad.
Superhero kid.
You're kidding, right? You're kidding, right? How the hell did all those shots not hit, bro?
Fire breaks down.
Almost
Alright,
had my annihilator.
I got my annihilator. Please don't die. Please don't die. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Damn,
Oh
this
yeah.
dude- These smokes are so annoying.
Shit, bro. Oh my god. I thought I was still inside of them, man. I was so messed up. Alright, so I'm 11 and 8. I want to risk it for the biscuit. I mean, risk it. I mean, I want to go behind, but I don't want to die, you know?
AV up.
Yo, Panda, where you at, fam? I need your support right here.
I almost had my race, so I don't want to die.
Flame unit down.
You know what? This guy.
Can confirm.
Ooh-wee. Oh, someone has a sparrow? You're kidding.
Someone's behind me. Oh, that's so cute.
Nope. Trash.
I almost killed the purifier.
Scratch that room.
Oh my god, I'm God. I'm God.
Doused.
Bro, I am God. You need to see that. Yes, I am trigger happy. No! Okay, you know what? Alright. Hopefully I don't die. So 19 and 10, Panda, bro. Where you at? Alright, what you got for me?
Damn.
A Guardian. You know what? That would work. Alright, Panda.
Guardian out.
Hopefully that reaches. If it doesn't, I'll be pretty triggered. Okay, what can you do?
Nah, I
Oh,
didn't.
54 eyes.
it reached a bit. Ooh. I'm taking the below. Screw what you guys say. I know this was a. I know you guys said that this was a. It's the only challenge, but holy crap, I gotta try this out. What? Okay, you know what? That was last time. You know, I didn't even get a kill, but you know what? That's.
God damn it.
Really.
I'm in 19 enemies.
Oh, I didn't even get anyone. That sucks. I don't know how the hell I missed it.
Try destroying your guardian.
Oh, my Guardian's still up for some reason.
Zerg down.
Yep, bro, that thing's getting hit markers. Alright, it just got destroyed.
Everybody uses the dingo, dude.
What the hell? We're starting to get our asses kicked now.
$20 and $13.
Ooh, it's 2013. Oh, you?
Flame
Yes.
unit down.
Caesar. Freaking. That guy with the freaking Shiva got on my nerves. That guy got on my nerves too.
You tried.
Yo, I need your help real quick.
Oh, hell no.
Ooh, how'd I get that? I have no idea. What? Come on, man. Yo, bro, we're battling, bro. Oh, we're hella battling for this now. Bro, how did you trigger happy? So trigger happy.
Hostile care package overhead. HCXD deployed.
Mom, come in. The science is open. Yep. You just had a peek, didn't you?
UAV above.
Still keep running.
Where the hell are they at? Oh, yes. Ah. Wait, that's the LMG, right?
Gorgon?
That's a kill.
Yeah. Wait, that. It's the Gorgon?
That's not new. Yeah, it's a Gorgon.
Mm,
That's pure fire.
thank you. Yeah.
Damn, you're 7 kills ahead of me. I don't
Smoke
know.
check.
Oh my god, bro. I am trigger happy. Like, you don't understand. Like,
Hell nah, that's so bull.
boy, I'm bloodthirsty.
Authorized UAV deployment.
Please give me that annihilator kill right here, bro. I'm begging God, bro. No. Ah.
Oh, I thought I popped my annihilator.
Wow. How did that get me? I want to get the last kill. Let me get the last kill again. Please give me the last kill. No, don't get it. Ooh, he got it. You know what?
No!
It's
I
alright.
had my annihilator.
Oh.
I will never yield.
Bro, lit game, man. Lit game. Oh my god. Look, look, I like this.
Give me rap support.
Look at this. Panda, look at this. Yes.
Damn, them rats.
Woo! Oh, let me boss real quick. Let me boss Drake. That's right. Ah, do that, Drake. Well, anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video with my boy Brown Panda. That was a lit game, you guys gotta admit. As always, guys, it has been your boy AJ. Like, comment, subscribe for the next video, and I'm out. Peace.
I like bitch, you was your mess, ayy. Can't keep my dick in my pants, ayy. My bitch don't love me no more, ayy. She kick me out on life, bro, ayy. That bitch don't wanna be friends, ayy. I give her dick, she a man, ayy. She put her 10 on my dick.